Hey everyone, my name's Christy and I'm with the Cumberland County Farm Bureau in the Ag in the Classroom program, and today we're going to make some cheese. This simple and delicate cottage cheese only needs a few ingredients. We need milk, I'm using 2%, white vinegar, salt, and crackers. Equipment that we'll be needing is a hot plate, which is what I'll be using, or you can use a stove. Just make sure you have an adult around to help you. You'll need a pan, some cheesecloth, a container to drain off the liquid after you make your cottage cheese, a measuring cup, a wooden spoon or spatula, some hot pads or mitts, another plastic bowl to, of course, put your cottage cheese in, and then you'll be ready. So cheese is made by separating the milk liquid, or whey, W-H-E-Y, from the milk solid, or curd, C-U-R-D. This is done by gently heating the milk and adding a culture like bacteria or enzyme. We're going to be using white vinegar, which is an acid, that causes the milk to curdle. Now, as you can see in my video, my hot plate gets really hot really quick and I didn't have my milk in there, so you can kind of see it steaming. That thing gets hot real fast. Of course, this process from taking milk out of the refrigerator, which is really cold, to the hot plate to bring it up to a temperature over 100 degrees Fahrenheit does take a little bit of time. So we're going to talk a little bit more about milk. Some earlier versions of cheese were made in Italy, where surprisingly they have water buffalo until, of course, World War II, and then that changed. But until then, most of the most delicate cheeses in the world were made there from buffalo's milk. Okay, so back to our cheese. Once we add our white vinegar to our milk, it's going to cause the milk to curdle. After that curd is firming up, it pulls all the proteins together and makes them stick together. Then we're going to go ahead and either cut it into small pieces or stir it around, allowing more of the whey, which is a liquid, to be released. Another milk fact: milk is from a female mammal after they give birth. We commonly have cow's milk here in the US, but other countries get milk from other animals like goats and sheep. And if you know your nursery rhymes, you're going to recognize this. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet eating her cottage cheese, of course. Wait, what? Yes, this is what they're talking about, curds and whey. All right, now that we have our curds in our cheesecloth and they're draining, we drain that just a little bit, and then we're going to transfer that to our plastic bowl to add some salt for taste. And that's it. All we need now is to put a little bit on a cracker to do a taste test. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.